Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
May, can you lead us a prayer?
Lord, thank you for this wonderful day that you have given to us. Please bless our discussion for today. Amen.
Okay, now, take her.
Class monitor, please check the attendance for today.
There are no absent. Okay, very good. So, who can recall our previous topic? Okay, Linda.
Our previous topic is about chromosome and the structure of chromosome.
Okay. We all know last week about the chromosome and its structure. So today, we have now a new lesson, which is the DNA replication. So I am now welcoming you to the world of DNA. So, but before we're gonna discuss our lesson proper, I have here an activity that you will surely enjoy. So, as you can see here, it is a crossword puzzle. So my instruction is this. I will give you the question and you have to write here the correct answer. And whoever got the correct answer will gain an extra point. So, are you now ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so who can answer question number 1? Maureen. But, so the question is this. It consists of a large single deoxyribonucleic acid.
Wow.
This is amazing. So amazing. That's it.
Question number 2. Riza. The question is this. This is the process which the DNA makes an exact copy of itself.
Maybe classmates.
Very good. You can answer the number 3 question. May. The question is catalyzes and chemical reaction.
Very good, classmates.
Very good. The fourth one.
Astonishing.
You can answer number 4. The question is for hereditary information.
Sure.
The fifth or the last question. It is a double helix strand molecule. Zero. Yeah! Okay, you'll gain an extra point. So, are you enjoying?
Yeah.
So, these words here has something to do with our topic. So, let's now go to the DNA replication. So, when we say DNA replication, what comes into your mind? Ante?
It makes an exact duplicate of itself.
Very good, you answered it all correctly. So these 5 words here are in line to our topic for today. But anyway, my objectives for today is first to define DNA replication. The second is to differentiate the process of DNA replication. And last is to construct your own DNA using the given different nitrogen. So now, let's go to our topic. The DNA replication. So, when you think about DNA replication, what comes into your mind first? Nerissa?
It means an exact duplicate of itself.
Okay. The making of an exact copy of itself. When you look at the mirror, can you imagine when you look at the mirror? You can, from a single individual that you are standing in the front, you have an exact replication of, or in the mirror. So, that is one of the example of replication. So, as we all know in our previous topic, we have discussed all about chromosome. So, chromosome is a single, it consists of a single large deoxyribose nucleic acid or the DNA molecule. And this DNA molecule, this is an example of a DNA molecule. It is a double helix molecule which composed of a sugar phosphate backbone, the 4 nitrogenous base. Anyway, who can give me the 4 nitrogenous bases? May.
Adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil, and thymine.
And that 4 nitrogenous bases, adenine complements with thymine and cytosine complements with guanine. And this is bonded together by a hydrogen bond. So, when we look at DNA replication in its broader sense, we have this. Okay. But if we're gonna simplify it in quite a clear way, we have this figure. So there are 3 major steps in DNA replication. Who can give me the 3 major steps or process in DNA replication? Daniel.
Initiation, elongation, and termination.
Okay, that is the 3 major process or steps of DNA replication. So, in initiation, what happens? What happens? Think. Initiation. From the word initiation, what happens there? Mouth.
The breaking of hydrogen bond or
Okay, the breaking of hydrogen bond. First, this helicase, this is an enzyme, so we all know that enzymes catalyze chemical reaction. This enzyme helicase breaks the hydrogen bond in the DNA double helix. So after breaking the hydrogen bond, the Y region shape, or what we call replication fork, will occur. So after initiation, what happens next? Okay, very good. Elongation. So this process is different for the 5 prime. Here is the 5 prime to 3 prime, and the 3 prime to 5 prime. So it is called elongation because the DNA polymerase will task to add the nucleotides into the growing strand. So the DNA polymerase will add the nucleotides here in this nitrogenous bases, and it adds only to its complement. So, for example, thymine this will be added by adenine because they are complement to each other. So after the DNA polymerase reaches and in the 3 prime to 5 prime has the different process of elongation. Why? What's the reason? What would you think is the reason why there is different process? Riza, can you read letter A?
5 prime and 3 prime template. The 3 prime to 5 prime preceding daughter strand that contains the 5 prime 3 prime template is called the leading strand.
Okay. It is called the leading strand because the DNA polymerase adds or reads the nucleotides continuously. While in here, it is called lagging strand because the DNA polymerase it is not read continuously. So by that, after the DNA polymerase reaches its end, the last step would occur, and this step is called termination. This is the last step of DNA replication. So this process happens when the DNA polymerase reaches to an end of the strand. So after the DNA polymerase reach its it ends, it terminates, and then the product would be a 2 double helix DNA. So this 2 double helix DNA, or the product, is what we call the semi-conservative replication, because the old strand is preserved and there is a new strand has been made. So that's it. So for your activity, get letters here. This is an example of an introduced basis. So, and space is there where it complements that. You can have a goal. You can place it now where it complements each other. Remember that adenine must be complemented with thymine and cytosine must be complemented with guanine. Yes. Okay, make it faster, guys. Very good. So I hope you had learning through this topic. So for our generalization, who can give the generalization? Okay, Greg.
DNA contains the needed information in order our physical and chemical processes will happen in our body. And DNA is a double helix structure wherein it composes of 4 nitrogenous bases, and DNA replication is important in life so that the life on Earth will continue to exist.
Okay, very good. Let's clap for. So please get 1 whole sheet of paper and no Halloween. Within 15 minutes only, you can answer this. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, at the count of 5, your paper must be in the center aisle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's it. Bye, class.